Hey everybody, happy Monday. Thanks for being with me earlier. If not, this is what you missed. So today, if you go to your classroom, classwork, we've already got week 3 set up. So what we need here is the one-man band from Friday. You need to create the dialogue. Remember, that's due Friday. We started it last Friday, but due this Friday. Today we talked about theme, and theme is the overall message that the author, creator wants you as the reader or the viewer to take away. So remember, we're not talking about character names, we're talking about that big picture message. So you need to answer the question, what is the theme for One Man Band? Here is the video for theme that I highly suggest you watch. It is the best one I have found. And the video One Man Band in case you need to watch it again. Do not forget that you also need to do your MemBeam for the week. And again, here's the grading scale. You get 5 points for each one for a total of 10 points. So we get 5 points for doing the full 60 minutes, and then we get 5 points for getting 75% or better with our accuracy. So this should help you out and keep you on track. Remember, it's 60 minutes on at least 3 days, so 3 or 4 days. Should be all you need. So if you do it Monday through Thursday, you are done by Friday. So that is pretty much it. And don't forget that in your journal and notebook, y'all need to start reading and doing your journal pages this week. So remember, page 3 is our digital library. When you click on it, it will take you to our virtual library. There is no reason for you not to read a book. There's a bunch here for you to pick from. While it's not as grand as our classroom library, it is doable. There's a bunch of different genres and titles to pick from. And then starting on page 12, we need to start doing your summary. So the page you're reading, what's happening, so that I can keep track for you. So with that being said, that is what needs to happen for this week. Theme is what we did today, and if y'all have any questions, please make sure you're asking. Bye guys.